Hi everyone, I'm Kate Nirlipta, yoga teacher, author and founder of Breathing Space. Welcome and thank you for joining me here. This short video is the first in a series of videos inspired by my book, Release Trauma with Somatic Yoga. I wrote this book because so many of us carry tension, stress and emotional residue in our bodies, often without realizing it. The practices in this book help you gently reconnect with yourself, calm the nervous system and restore balance through simple body-based awareness. It's a practical guide for anyone who's ready to feel safe and at home in their own body again. So whether you're a yoga teacher wanting to support students through trauma and stress, or someone curious about mind-body healing, you'll find real tools you can really use immediately in class, at home, or at work. My goal with these videos is to bring the book to life, to explore its themes, share short somatic practices, and remind you that healing doesn't have to be dramatic or perfect. It's about presence, curiosity and compassion, one gentle movement at a time. So if you have a copy of the book, Release Trauma with Somatic Yoga, grab it and follow along with each video. If not, you can find it via the link below or at yogawithnirlipta.com or at Amazon. So in the next video, we'll dive into why somatic yoga matters in so much of today's world. And I'll share a short practice you can start right away in these videos. So thank you so much for being here. And remember, healing is about persistence, not perfection. So let's take one breath and I'll see you next video. Thank you.